Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. So today in this video, we will talk about how you can connect anti-gravity to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So guys, for this, we are going to use the Novamira plugin. And through this plugin, you can connect any AI clients such as Claude, Claude Desktop, ChatGPT, and Anti-Gravity or the Anti-Gravity CLI, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, or many different types of AI clients. I have already explained in my previous video how you can connect ChatGPT to your WordPress, and I will provide the link in the video description. Along with this, the link for this plugin will also be provided in the description. So here you get two options, download for free and get pro. I have used download for free here, which I have already downloaded. So now let's go to our dashboard and let's install it on our WordPress. For this, you need to come here to plugins. After that, you will come to add plugins. Then you will go to upload plugin. Here you will click on choose files. And I am selecting Novamira here. After that, we will install it. And then we will activate it from here. So guys, now Novamira has been installed on our WordPress. Now we will go to Novamira, and after that we will go to configuration. You will see an interface like this where you need to tick the checkbox that says turn on AI abilities for this site. After that, we will save the settings here. After this, you will see choose your AI clients here. So different types of AI clients are available here. Whichever of these you want to connect to your WordPress, we can choose it here. I am adding anti-gravity here because I want to add anti-gravity to my WordPress site. After this, you will see the choose your authentication method option here. There are two options given here. One is OAuth, and in OAuth you will see an interface like this. And the second one we have is application password. To use application password, first of all, you will have to generate your application password. So I am generating it here because I am using the application password method. So for this, and this is also the easiest one. And here we will click on generate application password. So our password has been added here. After this, if we come down a little, you will see connect your AI clients. So here, for this, what we need to do is there are two ways. One is that you can copy this prompt, and the other is manual configuration for anti-gravity. So I am using the manual configuration for anti-gravity here, and I will click on it here. So guys, a code like this will open in front of you. And let's see how to add this code to anti-gravity. So we will copy this code from here. After that, we will come to anti-gravity. If you have installed your anti-gravity, you will see an interface like this. So what you need to do here is you have to click on the three dots you see here. After that, you will click on MCP servers. As soon as you click on MCP servers, then click on Manage MCP servers, written in blue color. After that, you will see an interface like this saying Manage MCP servers. So here you will see an option called View Raw Config. So you have to click here. And the code you just copied, we will paste it here. Okay, after that, we will save it. After that, we will go to back to agent. And now we will check here whether our anti-gravity has connected with WordPress or not. So we will write here, connect anti-gravity with my WordPress website. So let's see if it has connected to our WordPress or not. Enter and the process will start. In this process, whatever questions are asked to you here, you just have to keep submitting them. Okay, so now our anti-gravity is connected to WordPress. So let's go ahead and let's create a page in our WordPress through our anti-gravity. So we will write, add a page called test in my WordPress website. Let's see if it creates our page or not. Anti-gravity has added a page for us in our WordPress website. And it has also provided us with the URL here. It has also shown the status, the page ID, and the page title. So let's check this page. We'll click on the given URL. So guys, you can see that our anti-gravity has created a page for us here. And it has also added that page to the menu section here. So guys, this is how you can create different pages through anti-gravity. You can post blogs. If you want to get pages designed, you can get that done through anti-gravity as well. We also provide AI-related website development services. If you need any help, you can book a free consultation call with us. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.